Hey, Mike with Aftermarket Assassins here. We're going to talk about some of our products, especially this dual suppressor muffler for the 2024 and up XP1000 RZR. This is an awesome muffler. Best in the market, hands down. It actually gains horsepower because of the volume that we have here. We have a single muffler as well, but the dual muffler gained 4 horsepower in the mid-range, and it carries out way better up top as well. You can feel this thing. When you put it on, you can feel a regular muffler, a single one, but this is above and beyond. It's almost double what that does in real world punch and how it feels, and it's quieter than stock. So that's huge. It's rare that you can ever make these things quieter than stock and still make horsepower as well. This muffler goes really well with our ECU flash that we have as well. Our clutching, I would highly recommend. This one's actually set up with our cruiser clutch setup. So this is heavier clutch weights in the clutch system. So our max operating RPM is only about 7,800. So this makes your peak RPM, which is wide open throttle RPM, lower, but it also affects your cruising RPM, and that makes it lower. So when you're cruising down the road, these things aren't screaming at you. That was my biggest complaint with this model when I first took it out. They're so loud. The engine noise is loud. The exhaust doesn't have a good note to it. Our exhaust with this one is quieter and has a way better exhaust note. This one right now has our quiet core in it, 1.5 inch quiet core. I like this setup a lot. It sounds great. When you take that quiet core out, you can put a spark arrestor in here. We sell the spark arrestor as well. It has a deeper tone. It's a little bit louder, but it's deeper, but still quieter than stock. I like this stealth setup because this 1.5 inch quiet core, it makes this thing really mellow, really great to drive. Still has great power. You only lose like 1 to 2 horse with this quiet insert in it. But let's fire it up, see how you like the sound, and then we'll pop that core out and do the same thing.